You ready?
Yes.
Recording?
Yes.
Video thingy on?
Yes.
Okay. So, my apologies for everyone that has not seen this get built or had a part in it, but basically this is my kind of old shoppy truck, daily driver, 360, had a bunch of parts laying around. Anybody that ever used to watch my YouTube shit, you will you will remember that I had a cam and some headers laying around that I was always going to use, but I was going to wait until I had the right parts. Never seemed to have the right parts, and so I got this pickup that was just kind of in need of, I wouldn't say it ran really good. This pickup has served me really, really well for about 3 years, but the motor was kind of due for a little bit of freshening up. Got it apart, realized just how much I need to freshen it up. Got bearings in it, and decided with some advice from an old mechanic that I work with that stock heads would support that cam and 4-barrel and the big headers. So basically what I got now is a 360 freshened up, re-ring, bone stock, 64cc combustion chamber heads, full length Headman long tube headers, 1 3/4 inch primaries and 3-inch collectors. I got a cam that's running 530. It's a dual profile cam, 533 lift, 272 duration, 110 degree lobe separation. I went with an Edelbrock 4-barrel performer intake and carburetor that was actually gone through by same said mechanic that said that this would all work together. I am running open headers right now, so I got to keep it pretty brief, and I haven't broken in the cam, so I got to be a little careful about that because I'm in a neighborhood at 8:30 at night, and I don't want to make everybody mad. But other than that, it's a pretty low bone stock. I got an igniter brand, points eliminator kit in it, and an Excel coil, and some other nonsense, but should run pretty good. Don't know yet, still have to break in the cam. That'll happen later. Maybe Kayla can come over and just kind of give a little overview of this, what I got. It looks pretty bare bones, and there's nothing particularly trick about it, but it should run pretty good, quite honestly. And it already sounds quite a bit snappier and quite a bit better. Doesn't have as much cam lope or potato Charlie as I was hoping it would, but I still haven't even tuned it in because, like I said, I haven't even broke in the cam yet. So this is just kind of basically I fired it up tonight to make sure it would run and that nothing was going to go clanging out the side, angry midgets in the oil pan. But Kayla's going to catch it running if she'll just quickly stay up here.
Up here, it's loud.
Just fire it up real quick and at least show you guys what it sounds like.
Shut the door and pretend like it never happened.
Yeah. Oh, the cops don't get called.
Briefly, dear.
That, my friends, that was all the hubcaps falling off the wall, as they have every time I fired it up tonight, in my massive attempt to make all of my neighbors very angry. So at some point in time, probably tomorrow, we're going to do just a little bit of cleanup. I'm going to put the header collector extensions on, or header flange extensions on there. I got some Flowmaster Series 40s, which I think are going to be a little bit aggressive for this. But we're going to try it because I kind of want a hot roddy sound, and we'll go from there. So